How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, head over to your TikTok, and after you're on your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. Now after you're there, simply head over to the top right corner and there go to settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, scroll down all the way till you find report a problem. Tap on report a problem, and after you tap on it, you'll see topics, and under topics you should see account and profile. Tap on account and profile, and there you should see an option called editing profile. Head over to editing profile, and right there you should tap on other. So tap on other, and after you're there, scroll down and you should find an option called need more help on the bottom. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will get an option right here where you can report to TikTok. Now you can ask them for help by asking them to please help me unfollow everyone on my TikTok account. After you do this, simply tap on send and they will just reply back to you after a few hours or few days. It might take some time, but they will help you do it. And yeah, that is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.